To balance a chemical equation without using algebra, the first step I'm going to do is draw a line under the yield sign to separate the reactants from the products. I have one atom of carbon, so I'm just going to draw that by itself. I have one molecule of hydrogen with two atoms, so I bond that together. And I have CH4, so I draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I do this, I can then see whether the equation is balanced. My carbons are balanced, but my hydrogens are not balanced. I have 2 over here and 4 over here. So what I need to do is add 2 more hydrogens. And I can do that because they come bonded together. So I have 1 carbon on either side, and I have 4 hydrogens on either side. So my next step is to write the coefficients, and the coefficients are the number of boxes. So I have 1 box of carbon, so that's 1 coefficient. I have 2 boxes of hydrogen, so that's 2 molecules of hydrogen. And then I have 1 box of CH4, so that is 1 as a coefficient for CH4. Let's do another example. If I have H2O, and that's my product, I have reactants of H2 and O2. So I draw this out, H2, and that comes together, O2, that comes together, and then I have H2O, H2O. My hydrogens are balanced, but my oxygens are not, so I know that I need to add at least 1 more oxygen. But the key is that I cannot just add oxygen, I have to add the entire molecule that it's bonded to. So I have another H2O. My oxygens are now balanced, but my hydrogens are not. So I can come back over here and add the 2 that I'm missing. So I have 2 molecules of H2, that's my coefficient. I have 1 molecule of O2, and I have 2 molecules of H2O. And now it's balanced. One more example. So if I have, this is my reactant, and this is my product, I need to draw out my molecules. Al2O3. And box it in. I have aluminum by itself, and I have oxygen. So I know that I need at least 1 more aluminum over here. And my oxygens aren't balanced either. So I know that I have 1 more oxygen over here than I have over here, so I have to add another one. But again, I can't just add 1 oxygen, I have to add the whole thing that it's bonded to. But now it's not even anymore, so I have to go back over here and add another oxygen. And when I do that, I add the whole thing. So my aluminums, I have 4 on the reactant side, and I have 2 on the product side. So I'm going to add 2 more. And those are balanced. I have 6 oxygens over here and only 4. So I'm going to add 2 more, and they're bonded together. So now I add my coefficients. I have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And now it's balanced.